Hi, I'm Ted Sterner, and I'd like to talk to you about some commercial property management services provided by LA Property Management Group. We know that managing office buildings, industrial, and retail properties requires unique skills and capabilities. We've been managing commercial property for more than 25 years in Southern California. Our experience becomes your advantage. Whether you're an owner who simply wants to reduce your own workload, or if you think it's time to make a change to the highest rated manager in Southern California, LAPMG is ready to tackle all of your commercial property needs. We manage trophy properties in Beverly Hills, as well as the most basic warehouses, as though they were our own. We've earned the trust of our commercial clients by delivering the highest profits consistently and through every kind of market cycle. If you're dealing with a vacancy currently, we work aggressively to create bold, high-profile ads that attract a multitude of excellent prospects fast. We then cultivate stable tenancies. We're in a great position to lease your property when we know your property as managers. And we're proactive in lease renewals, calling on tenants to work out the best possible new leases well in advance of their expiration to ensure the best terms and tenant retention. We monitor CAM charges and base year increases to ensure the highest profits. A complete and detailed financial report is delivered each month, which you can also access 24/7 through your secure owner's portal. You can easily find all data regarding your investment in one place. If you need repairs and renovation, LAPMG has done thousands, including extensive repositioning and ground-up construction. Another thing that sets us apart from our competitors is that we're licensed as general contractors. When we perform work, it's done right the first time, guaranteed, at some of the lowest prices in the industry. Whether you own a shopping center, a warehouse, or an office building, our team will achieve the superior results you deserve. LAPMG will show you that excellent property management doesn't cost. It pays. Call us today at 323-255-9400 or visit our website, lapmg.com, for more information.